College pun vibro session pan kijing tip nam tai kubor Laitkam Hikai tekidon kumba khat pratli Kam Hikai ke balai ke bahaba po Ribhoi district dengan puli kum connect advertisement nam ta kini ki post ke balai application in standard form are invited from genuine citizen of India for filling up the following work and post at 3 upgraded secondary school of UP SSA school te kini ki Laitkam school upgrade naga UP shaka secondary tekini ki hapo Ribhoi district under Samagra Shikshan contractual basics under Samagra Shiksha contractual basis initially for a period of 1 year kini kedewek shisnam can extend pada renew and to be extended subject to receive a fund from the Ministry of Education MOE ke pada kan dai khat pra hadu life art nam tagi general banam taki SC/ST kan dai hadu life new banam taki ba la trail pa kini ki government aided school kan long south post name reservation as per policy of government of Meghalaya. Tekidon lai Tylli post mar balai Tylli school lai Tylli post namta kawai ka subject. Te namta headmaster don kam lai Tylli katulok kolong bai lai 4000 sibanai bat namta kini kiwe bede kan long bai arp khana 1000 sibanai. Fix bet magine. Headmaster postgraduate in any stream with 5 years experience don kam 5 years experience in teaching but at least 2 years experience in school administration and biat jika biat di bandam te don kam lai Tylli te kap tulop kolong lai 4000 te assistant teacher in English ru habdap ya ka bachelor of arts with major in English but ka biat lai Tylli assistant teacher in science ru kumju bachelor of science with major in subject and biat assistant teacher in mathematics ru kumju bachelor of science with major in mathematics lane ki balek PCM but ka biat kalong compulsory ben lai Tylli assistant teacher in social science bachelor of arts with major in the subject and BEd. But number 6 assistant teacher in MIL Khasi bachelor of arts with major in Khasi and BEd Laitkam Laitkam school way nam ta school way nam ta school ta marka way school Laitkam school te hangde ada mention clearly ladap ong ba candidate without BEd need not apply kibom padde beka BEd kibana undergoing kinnom la ban apply kinnom apriang nyapi ladapi apply kan mau tang kibala ada BEd. Interested candidate are to submit the application along with photocopies of all mark sheet, pass certificate and experience certificate if any duly attached with one passport size photo on or before 12 December. Take bakwa aban apply kan mau submit ya application form bar kita ki photocopies jong baro kikot ki baron kam ka last date kan long hal ne shuaka khat atrik jong u 9 December ajar apply to the office of the district school education officer and district project coordinator Ribhoi district nongpo mau kan post ke po Ribhoi district pihak ban submit hapo DSU Ribhoi. Applicant are to mention their mobile number and email ID in the application form for further communication. Takkan mau banda mention your mobile number but email ID hapok application form kenang ban suk ban ya communicate hadin habut ladaki don kam ban khot hagasi interview ne ban pentip iki jing tip habe debat kini post. Tang kini jing tip khule jubon.